Hi, my name is Jeremy Russell, and let me tell you what is contained in the 20-minute trader video course. If you saw my free video, you know that I was able to predict a pattern and capitalize on it and monetize it. Now, there's a lot that went into that. I made a lot of errors in the process. I really found the sweet spot on what's the best way to do it. And since then, I've actually created this video course walking through my exact and detailed daily routine of how I do this. Exactly what buttons I push, exactly what apps I download, exactly what website tools I use, exactly which brokerage account I use, exactly how much I spend each day on this or that, etc. If you want all these details and the painstaking exact steps that I took, we have actually made these available on the 20-minute trader video course. Now, the truth is that I have no training in the stock market. I have never learned a technique whatsoever. No one has taught me any methods or ways to leverage this or that. This is a completely self-invented thing where I happened to be watching a stock and I felt the pattern was calling out to me and telling me that it's there and saying I'm gonna be there every day. And I said, okay, let me capitalize on this, let me monetize it. And since then, I have turned $1,200 into $25,000 in a matter of a few months with absolutely no learning except for this is what a stock is, and this is how you buy and sell stocks, and this is what an option is, and this is how you buy and sell options. That's all I learned. And that was a friend just telling me over lunch. So everything else is just something I developed, and it's been so madly workable that at this stage of the game, I'm making 10 to 20% of my investment every week, and I don't lose a dime. So other people are like, hey, you should try out this technique that makes 5% a month. I'm like, I don't want to. I have no desire to learn something else. I also don't even want to be a professional trader. I want to spend 10, 20 minutes a day, and that's it, on something to take my money and make it make money, and then move on the rest of my day doing something that I consider helps the world, or produce products that are helpful to everybody, or work at a company that makes something that I consider valuable. That's what I want to be doing with my time. I don't want to stare at tickers and learn fancy symbols and learn all these strategies and become a guy who stares at a screen all day trying to bet on somebody else's production and see if I can make money on it. But at the same time, I don't want to be the guy who doesn't have enough money all the time and has to get credit cards, has to get loans, has to work an extra 2 jobs just to have the life that I want. So this has actually given me the ability to do that. I can spend 20 minutes a day making extra money. The rest of the time I can work. I'm coming out of debt by doing this. It's been very successful for me. The sky's the limit right now. I keep making more and more every week, and I'd like other people to know about it, especially hardworking people, especially people who provide services to others, especially people who help keep the world turning with whatever they're doing. I want to help those people, and that's why I made this video course, and that's also why the video course is actually significantly cheaper than the other things that I saw being offered on investment strategies out there. So I'm hoping you could take advantage of it. I lay it all out. I show you photos. I do video captures of every little thing I'm doing so that you might be able to, create your own investment strategy that works just like mine, and that you can actually have a profitable existence through this knowledge.